Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I just wanted to give you a tip that I use a lot of the times if I'm working on a card. I've got all of my pieces cut to specification and I drop my stamp after I ink it and it's got like this, and I think, okay, I'm going to turn it over and work on the back, and then maybe I'm not paying attention and I stamp it crooked. Okay, so if I'm in a hurry, this is what I do. I'll get another piece of Whisper White cardstock, okay, or whatever the color is that I'm working with, and I'm going to re-ink the stamp, stamp it on the piece of cardstock. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly straight or not. Then I find a punch or a framelit that I can use to cut it out, preferably a punch, especially if I'm in a hurry. Punch that baby out, and then you can fix it just like that. And you get the same basic look, and it also adds a little bit of texture and dimension. You could even pop it up with dimensionals. Okay, I was working today and that happened to me, and I wanted to share with you what I do to fix it, especially when I'm stamping on the go in a hurry. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.